Hey everyone, how are you? This is Oghlo, so happy to see you again. And today we'll talk about subject pronouns. So let's start. Number 1. Subject pronouns. Like I. For example here, Adam says, I am a doctor. Next, you. I use it when I look at a person. It can be one person or more. For example, you are amazing. Yeah, guys, you are amazing. Next, we equal I plus noun. For example, in the picture, the two guys say, we are friends. Part 2, he. I use it with a man, male, or a boy. And I use that when I don't see the person or I don't look at. And it takes the noun's place. For example, as we can see, John is a manager. He loves work. I don't say John is a manager, John loves work. No. As we can see here, John is a manager. He loves work. Next, she. I use it with a female or a woman or a girl. For example, as we can see, Sarah is tired. She takes a break. Yeah, she's tired. Next, it. I use it when I talk about something. For example, as we can see in the picture, the wallet is big and it's expensive. I don't say the wallet is big and the wallet is expensive. I use it. Last one, they. When I use they, when I talk about group of people I don't see. For example, the parents are happy. They love the baby. I don't say the parents are happy, the parents love the baby. No. As we can see in the example, the parents are happy, they love the baby. And that's what we call subject pronouns. Hope you got something out of it, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya!